So, hello everyone, this is Rashnashi and I'm going to speak about the scientific principle of management. I'm going to explain about the AFW Taylor. So, basically, he known as the father of scientific management, the book of Principle of Scientific Management. In the period of 1856 to the period of 1915, mostly this was his period. And in the beginning period of time, he works in the factory and his post was of labor. So actually he was a simple workers and he even learned the techniques and tactics of different work, and he learned the logics and facts of scientific principles. He know how scientifically every work can be done and how smartly you can achieve your goal. So he has given later the main four principles. So that's thing I am going to discuss about. So first of all, you have to know that what is scientific management. See, actually in the previous period or past period, you can say that there was the rule of thumb type of management done. Basically, whatever the rule management manager has give, so worker had to apply that type of work only. So actually this was the traditional method. So this was the classical method, and after that FW Taylor had given the principle of scientific management. So scientific management talk about the logic and facts behind the management. So how systematically you are doing the work, how smartly you are doing the work. Suppose I am giving you with example. Suppose you are the students and you have to prepare for your board examination. So how smartly you will work. So you will make a proper routine for your study, and not for a longer period or not for a shorter period, and you will solve your sample paper, and you will solve important question. So this is the scientific techniques that you apply while you study to achieve the best mark in your examination. So in the same manner, FW Taylor has given some important principle, and first principle basically was management should be scientific, not rule of thumb. So rule of thumb, as you can say, Anguta Chap management. So it is the traditional management. So whatever the higher authority has given the rule, that rule you have to apply it in the management field. So there should be some logic and facts in the management. So you have to analysis the work, and you have to minimize the cost in the management, and you have to see what resources you will apply for the management. So raw material should be the qualitative, and how much quantity the raw material you will apply for your business. You have to know, and you have to do the analysis for your management. So first principle was scientific but not rule of thumb, and second principle you can say harmonized but not discomfort. So it means that the relationship between workers and manager should be good. So if there is good relationship between the managers and workers, then management can be achieved in a limited period. So there should be trusted relationship between the manager and workers. So workers should understand the manager, and even manager should understand the worker. So it must be harmonized. So third principle, you can say there should be the cooperation but not individualism. So every management they have to coordinate systematically, and they have to work within self. They have to work in team, and they have to support to each other for the better management. So in this way they can achieve the organizational goals. And fourth principle, you can say that is the last principle. So there should be the developmental of work of people. So there should be the development, and people should show their enthusiasm in the better management, and even efficiency and productivity can be achieved through the hard work and cooperation with each other. So they have to understood how much cost they have to apply in the management field. So these principles has given by the FW Taylor. So in current era or current scenario, these type of principles are applied in the scientific management. And after that there was one professor, his name was F. Fayol. So he has given 14 principle of management. So 14 principle of management I will discuss in the next video. But some of the principle I can tell you the name, such as division of work, discipline, and coordination, and you can say subordination of subordination of individual principle to general principle, even order and equity, and you can say hard work. So these are all the principle of Henry Fayol. So that's for all today. So I will discuss some next topic in the next video. Thank you for all.